Lily, Linda, and Ben talk about weather. Fun English story. It's a beautiful afternoon at the beach. Lily is with her friends, Linda and Ben. They are sitting on a picnic blanket. They begin to chat about all the different kinds of weather they've seen.
Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's begin the video.
Scene 1. Warm and sunny. What a lovely day! It's warm and sunny.
Sunny days are perfect for picnics.
I like how the sky is so blue with no clouds.
Scene 2. Breezy and windy.
Sometimes it's not this calm. Sometimes it's breezy.
Breezy means there's a light wind. It feels nice.
And when it's windy, my kite goes way up in the sky.
Scene 3. Cloudy and overcast. Look at those clouds over there. That's cloudy weather.
And when the sky is full of clouds with no sun at all, we call it overcast.
Overcast days look a little gray, but sometimes they're peaceful.
Scene 4. Rainy, drizzling, and pouring.
What about rainy weather?
Rain can be different. Sometimes it's drizzling, just light little drops.
And sometimes it's pouring. That means heavy rain, like a waterfall.
Rainy days are perfect for hot soup and a blanket.
Scene 5. Snowy and freezing.
Snowy days are fun. I like snowball fights.
But when it's freezing, everything is super cold. Water turns to ice.
Don't forget your gloves and scarf.
Scene 6. Stormy, hailing, and thunder.
Stormy weather can be scary.
Sometimes, instead of rain, small balls of ice fall from the sky. That's hail.
Hailing can be noisy on the roof.
And thunder goes boom while lightning flashes in the sky.
Scene 7. Rainbow after the storm.
But after a storm, we sometimes see a rainbow.
Rainbows make me happy. All those colors in the sky.
Scene 8. Foggy and misty.
Have you ever walked outside on a foggy day?
Yes, you can't see far. Everything looks like a mystery.
Misty weather is like soft, thin fog. It feels cool and gentle. Scene 9. Hot, humid, and heat wave.
Hot weather makes me want ice cream.
When it's hot and humid, the air feels heavy and sticky.
And during a heat wave, it's hot for many days in a row.
Scene 10. Cold, icy, and frosty.
Cold weather can be cozy if you stay indoors.
Icy weather makes the ground slippery.
And on frosty mornings, the grass sparkles with ice crystals. Scene 11. Extreme weather.
Some weather is extreme, like tornadoes.
Tornadoes spin very fast and are dangerous. And hurricanes bring heavy rain and strong winds from the ocean. That's why we stay safe inside when the weather gets wild. Scene 12. Back to sunny. The clouds move away. The sun shines again.
We've talked about so many kinds of weather today.
Sunny, breezy, windy, cloudy, overcast, rainy, drizzling, pouring, snowy, freezing, stormy, hailing. Wow!
Foggy, misty, hot, humid, heat wave, cold, icy, frosty, tornado, hurricane,
And rainbow.
That's a lot of weather.
Every kind of weather is interesting.
And every kind of weather has something special.
So, what's your favorite kind of weather?
Great question, Ben. Kids, tell us your favorite kind of weather in the comments. Vocabulary learned. 20 kinds of weather. Sunny,
warm, breezy, windy, cloudy, rainy, drizzling, pouring, snowy, freezing, stormy, hailing, thunder, lightning, rainbow, misty, hot, humid, heat wave, overcast, foggy, cold, icy, frosty, tornado, hurricane.
I hope you have checked all our previous videos. If not, then please check it out now. Like, share, and subscribe to Smart ESL Path and upgrade your English today.